In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Outlook email in just a few simple steps. Whether you're new to Outlook or just need a refresher, we'll walk through the process together in under 5 minutes, ensuring you can access your email seamlessly. So let's dive right in and get you logged into your account. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, or whichever browser you prefer to use. In the address bar, type in the website URL for Microsoft Outlook, or simply search Outlook email login for a direct link and hit enter. This will take you to the main Outlook homepage where you can begin the login process. Once you've arrived at the Outlook homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you should see a button labeled Sign In. Click on that button to proceed to the next step. This will direct you to a new page specifically for entering your login credentials. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring that you can move through this process effortlessly. Now you'll need your email address and password handy. In the space provided on this page, enter the email address associated with your Outlook account. Double check to ensure that there are no typos, as even a small mistake can prevent you from logging in. After entering your email address, it's time to enter your password. Click on the password field just below where you entered your email and carefully type in your password. Be mindful of case sensitivity and any special characters that might be included in your password. If you think you might have mistyped it, there's often an option to reveal your password temporarily to make sure it's correct. Once both your email and password are entered, look for the Sign In button on the page. Clicking this button is your final step in accessing your Outlook inbox. With the correct email and password, you should be directed right into your account, and voila, you now have access to your emails, calendar, and all other Outlook features. If you encounter any issues logging in, make sure to check your internet connection and confirm that your caps lock or numlock keys aren't causing potential errors. Additionally, if you've forgotten your password, there is usually a forgot password option available to help you reset it quickly. And there you have it. Logging into your Outlook email is as simple as that. By following these steps, you can easily access your emails, schedule, and more. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now comfortably using Outlook. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day managing your email.